Alright guys, so today I'm just going to show you some things that you can do with the foam roller. I talked about them in one of my articles, but you can actually give yourself a little bit of a massage with it, which is really, really nice. We get tight not only, up here or the muscles that you feel, but down here on your legs sometimes you don't realize how much they tighten up and can be pulling on your knees or your back. So I'm just going to show you a couple of ways that we can roll on it. And just be careful. Some of it can be super uncomfortable, but just be careful. You don't want to roll like right on your joints or anything that obviously doesn't feel well. So we're going to first roll on our upper back. So I want you to rest your head in your hands because just so you don't tense your neck. And you're going to lift your bottom off the floor. And all you're going to do is just kind of roll slowly through your back. And keep, like right now I'm pulling my abdominals in just to support my back, and I don't go all the way down to my lower back. I'm just rolling through my upper back. And you can even bring your hands up if you want. I like to support my head because you can bother your neck. Then I'm going to put my bottom down. I don't actually roll on my neck either. I'm just rolling through the upper back. And here I still support my head, but I can open up and feel a good stretch, which is nice. So you can do that too, and you can even kind of adjust it a little bit to see where you want to feel that stretch. Okay, so the other is for our legs. So if you're going to come over, first I'm going to show you on your quads. So same thing over here, you don't want to roll like directly on your knee joints. I don't even go up all the way to my hip bones. I just roll directly on the quadricep muscles. So I'm on my forearms. I'm really pulling my abs in so I support my back. You don't want to just hang it out here because then you're going to hurt your back in the process. And I'm just going to roll slowly. And when you feel a knot, you almost just want to stay on it because it'll kind of like help disperse it. Just sit on it. And you can do one leg at a time. And that'll be even more intense. So you might want to start with 2 at first and just roll slowly. And when you feel a knot, just kind of stay on it and count to 10. Let it disperse a little bit. And as you can see, I stop right before my knees and then I roll back up because you don't want to roll directly over your knees. So that's your quads, and I'm going all the way up. So now I'm going to turn over, and I'm going to do my IT band. Now this is very common to get tight for all of us. Again, so I'm starting below my actual bone and joint. And I'm just going to roll down slowly. Again, keep pulling in your abs so you don't bother your back. And this can really hurt. You'll find spots that are, you can rest your foot down, that are really, really tender and tight. But just stay on them, breathe, keep breathing through it, and you can kind of feel it break up just a little bit. And then of course stop right before you get to your knee joint because you don't want to roll over your knee. And you should do this if you're really, it's bothering you, do it regularly each week. And then the last one I'm going to show you is your hamstring or your glute. So you can actually sit on it and just roll either just one leg at a time. And again, just roll down your hamstring. Stay off your joint, don't roll right behind your knee. Just kind of roll on the hamstring, and you can even roll up into your glute. And find the knots and just kind of stay on them. And that's about it. Stay off your joints, go slowly. And when you feel the knot, just kind of breathe through it and let it disperse a little bit. And just kind of go at your pace. You can, take your weight off, or you can keep both of your weight on. Keep your abs though to support your back throughout. So that's my foam roller tip.